It's finally Black Friday. Now, we've been celebrating the Black Friday event here at CraftStash for the entire week, and we'll be running this through until Cyber Monday. But we have saved our extra special deals for you today. Now, first of all, if you head on over to Facebook today, you'll be able to catch us as crafting, demonstrating, chatting with special guests for a full 6 hours. That is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm so excited to be hosting the full hours, and I'm going to have so many amazing and inspirational guests with me. But throughout the entire live, we are also going to be letting you know of every possible deal we can so you don't miss out. But what's happening this Friday that hasn't been happening the rest of the week? Now, as you know, we have been launching new offers every single day, but today we have new ones now. We have got our under a fiver bargains. So, I mean, it's exactly as it says, bargains for under £5. Now, you'll find all of those over on the website. That's www.craftstash.co.uk or craftstash.us. You'll also find there we've got our Sizzix machines. Yes, Sizzix machines and tools at Black Friday deals. So you can save 30% off of these. I mean, if you are in the market for a new die cutting machine, for example, that is definitely the place to go. Now, we've also got other offers for you as well. So we have got our fabulous stamp sale. So with our stamps, we have got lots of different brands in there and lots of amazing discounts. And the same with our Black Friday die sale. Lots of brands there, up to 50% off of those. Lastly, we also have our Spectrum Noir Black Friday deal, and that is 65% off of those. So if you love your colouring and such like, you are going to love that deal. Now, you'll find all of these on the website. Simply go to the home page and click on the Black Friday banner, or you can look at the description below. If you are a CraftStash VIP member, of course, you're also going to get an additional 10% off of all of these offers, priority dispatch, double points, and much more. So ensure you are a VIP member first of all, check out your membership, and then go shopping. So I will be seeing you live, as I say, for a full 6 hours today over on Facebook on the CraftStash page. I hope you can join me, and join me here again tomorrow for more offers over the weekend. Take care, everybody.